Here's the Motorola G52, and let's see how to start the light and how to start the camera without opening the phone. So to start the light, move the phone to the left and to the right in one plane like so, but quickly. Left, right, and voila, the light is on. Left, right again, and the light is off. It's also vibrating while doing this. So that's the light. To start the camera, you have to rotate it. And voila, there's the camera. If you rotate it again, it's switching to the next camera, the front one. Rotate it again, and it's using the back one. And you have to press the button to close it. So left, right in one plane, that's the light, but do it faster. And rotation on the longitudinal axis is the camera. Light, camera. This is stopping the light.